One of the new features introduced in Katana 3.6 is the snapping capabilities in the Hydra Viewer. Snapping allows artists to snap an object's translate or center of interest manipulator to a target's individual vertices, edges, faces, center, or object. To activate snapping, click the Snapping Tool button in the Hydra Viewer panel, or press V on the keyboard. You can also press and hold V to temporarily enable snapping mode. The default mode is vertex snapping, but this can be changed from the drop-down menu. You can also hold Shift and press V on the keyboard to cycle through the available snapping modes. The options determine which part of the mesh to snap to. If you select an Oriented to Normal option, the transformed object's rotation is oriented to point along the normal of the target's face or surface. The orient axis can be changed in the snapping preferences, found under the Viewer Hydra section, along with other options which can be used to customize the appearance of your snapping controls. Snapping is a powerful feature which helps artists to position objects, cameras, and lights precisely within their scene. For more information about the snapping tool and its various modes, refer to the online documentation at learn.foundry.com/Katana.